parents did hit me on occasion, couple of times. Similarly, I think you should not talk about parents' mindset if you don't have children. This growing concept of FAFO parenting, I'm gonna I'm gonna incorporate that. So they are so most of them are taking good decisions only. That नहीं हमें बच्चे नहीं चाहिए. बचपन के जो उठक बैठक स्क्वाट्स जो आज जिम में जाके करते हैं,
हाँ।
हमको हमारे टीचर्स ने वर्कआउट कराया बॉस. मुर्गा
मुर्गी
बनाया है.
बनना। हाँ।
मुर्गा. राइट.
What can be the side effects if things go wrong when using the strict discipline? Everyone, welcome to yet another episode of You Trial Zone. आज हम लोग फिर से एक्सपेरिमेंट करने वाले हैं with another new format. That is, we are not going to review any specific content per se, nor any specific content creator, but rather we want to talk about a specific topic.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
A topic जो आजकल काफी hot discussion में है. That is, how okay is it for parents to use physical means to discipline a child? तेरा क्या राय है इसके ऊपर हरीश?
It is okay.
Elaborate, please.
अब देख, I was also a kid once. My parents did hit me. And I turned out great, in fact. और मेरे जैसा बच्चा अगर मार नहीं खाता बचपन में, 100% में एक एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट होता है सोसाइटी का. So I think my parents did a huge favor on society by disciplining me into who I am today.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप।
जैसे तो क्यों, क्या तेरे को लगता है कि ऐसे आजकल जो एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स है, it can be linked back to not receiving the kind of treatment they would have received?
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
100% तो ऐसे डायलॉग सुनता ही होगा कि जब मार पड़ने की उम्र थी तब दो लगा के नहीं रखा, तो बड़े होने के बाद सोसाइटी चार लगाएगी उसे.
Hmm. And I am sure कि this remark is going to trigger multiple people, especially those people who are the parent bashers and also the advocates of gentle parenting. और ये सारे लोग I am sure will be sharing their thoughts in the comment section. क्योंकि जैसे फर्स्ट एपिसोड में हम लोगों ने कहा, we are not turning off the comment section.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
कमेंट में भी कॉन्वर्सेशन होगा, बट प्रिएम्प्टिवली कुछ शेयर करना चाहेगा उन लोगों के लिए.
देख, पहले तो फेमिनिज्म वाज अ बिग वेव इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड. तो वहां पे आई आई लव्ड वन लाइन दैट women used to use: no vagina, no opinion. Similarly, I think you should not talk about parents' mindset if you don't have children. No children, no bashing of parents. Yeah, you were a child once, you were a victim of maybe physical abuse. Uh, when are you gonna grow up? You're still a child. If you are continuously complaining about and stuck that, या मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे मारा था या मेरे पापा ने मुझे मारा था, मैं आज भी बहुत डर रहा हूँ. When am I going to grow up from being a child? When am I going to take my responsibilities? If I am parent bashing, मतलब I am still a child. Dude, grow up.
ये क्या बात करता है यार?
Interesting perspective from a TA transaction analysis. This is the aspect of chronological freeze, जहाँ पे हम एक particular ego state, specifically the child ego state से operate करते हैं, even though we have an adult body.
Yeah.
Now that you are a parent yourself, any thoughts that you would want to share, especially जो तूने बोला कि no child, no opinion वाला aspect, being a parent yourself, what would you like to share?
See, it is very easy for all the people on the internet to tell you how to raise children when in the first place they themselves don't have children.
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा।
Okay, first is that. Second, I have my kids. See, I'm responsible. I know there are some mistakes that my parents did with me, but I choose to receive it, perceive it, so that I build my personality the way I want to build it. I'm not gonna physically abuse my children.
Okay.
Okay. That's a given. But does that mean I'm going to be a gentle parent? Hell no. I'm a man. I have two boys, and I'm going to raise them in a disciplined environment so that tomorrow, when they grow up, they are not subjected to society's four whacks, which I earlier spoke about.
Oh my God! Wow!
They are going to grow up knowing what is responsibility, what is discipline, and how to behave in the society so that society does not whack you. How do I do that? Well, this growing concept of FAFO parenting. I'm gonna I'm gonna incorporate that. Yeah, you make mistakes, you will find out consequences, what they are. I have started implementing that with my elder son. And guess what? It took me time, but communication, raising them right with, teaching them consequences is turning out to be a very uncomfortable experience for my child. But guess what? He's growing up to be a responsible child. And I like that.
बात तो सही है
I don't want my child to function the way I say. Okay. Discipline does not mean that I control their every next action. Discipline means do whatever you want, but not in a way that harms you or anybody around you.
क्या बात है सर क्या बात है सर क्या बात है ये बात है अरे सर क्या बात है
So,
You know,
yeah.
यहाँ पे क्योंकि तूने फैफो के बारे में बात की, वन मोर पर्सपेक्टिव दैट आई लुक एट इट, मेरे को ये भी लगता है कि फैफो आल्सो अप्लाइज इंटरनली टू द पेरेंट कि हम भी गलती कर सकते हैं. And I have
Yes.
spoken to so many parents who are kind of putting the pressure on themselves to be the perfect parent, even to the extent कि they are so very afraid of continuing intergenerational wounds कि they don't want to be parents themselves और फिर content बनाएंगे ये सारी चीजों के ऊपर.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
तो ये स्पेसिफिक एस्पेक्ट के बारे में तेरा क्या कहना है? How parents kind of put themselves on a pedestal and are afraid of making mistakes.
See, parenting does not come with a manual. कितना भी तुम यूनिवर्सल रूल्स दे दो, डू दिस डू दैट कर लो, जब हम ये सेंटेंस बोलते हैं ना, एवरी चाइल्ड इज यूनिक, देन हाउ कैन यू इनकॉर्पोरेट अ यूनिवर्सल फॉर्मूला ऑफ पेरेंटिंग?
सही बात.
Aren't they contradicting themselves when they are saying my child is unique, but they are going to parenting workshops and taking universal formulas and applying it on their children? अभी मैंने एक क्या देखा था, रेजिंग सुपरस्टार्स करके कोई तो कंपनी है.
Okay.
They are teaching the child flashcards and what is this and what is this not, from the child being 3 months old, 4 months old. They are in a race they are in a race, RACE, to raise, RAISE, a superstar, a genius, a prodigy. That when are the children going to be children? उनकी जो माइंडसेट है आजकल के पेरेंट्स की, अभी से ही तैयार करना है, और बच्चा जब पेट में तभी स्कूल की फॉर्म लेके रखनी है.
कौन है ये लोग कहां से आते हैं ये
क्या बच्चे को भी तुम्हारी तरह बकरी बनाने वाले हो? मैं तो दे आर, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर टेकिंग गुड डिसीजंस ओनली, दैट नहीं हमें बच्चे नहीं चाहिए.
I'm not going to judge your journey. It is your fantasy, just as long as you...
बट जो बच्चे कर रहे हैं ना, आई एम सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ सेंसिबल पेरेंट्स हु आर हैविंग फन विद पेरेंटिंग, who are making mistakes, who are, देखो, when you want your child to say sorry for certain things when they do wrong, you have to model that behavior as well. You can't come from a place of authority always and do not realize that you also make mistake. And it is okay to say sorry to your child. When the child sees that parent themselves say sorry when they do something wrong, parents themselves put them through punishment when they did something wrong,
Mm.
they wouldn't mind taking punishments as a responsibility when they do something wrong. Wrong as in not philosophical right versus wrong.
Ah.
Wrong as in breaking something, you know, hitting someone.
निकल जा, नहीं तो मैं इसको भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा। निकल, निकल भगवान, मेरा सबर छूटा जा रहा है। निकल।
No, the other day I was watching something where a child, you know, as a product of gentle parenting, went and very casually hit a grown-up person. Grown-up person को तो लगी नहीं. Gentle parent came towards them and said, "Oh, why did you do that?" I would have seriously, if I was seeking, what I would have done, I would have made my child say sorry then and there. First of all, my child does not do that because when he tried it with my wife and myself, we put strict boundaries and told that we are not hitting you. That does not mean you can go out there and hit anybody and everybody according to your wishes. Instill boundaries. और बचपन के जो उठक बैठक स्क्वाट्स जो आज जिम में जाके करते हैं,
हाँ,
हमको हमारे टीचर्स ने वर्कआउट कराया बॉस, मुर्गा
मुर्गी
बनाया है,
बनना, हाँ,
मुर्गा राइट.
उठा ले रे बाबा, उठा ले।
These are all such great punishments. At the same time, taking care of your physiological health. ये शिन मसल्स तेरे स्ट्रांग होते हैं, काफ मसल्स स्ट्रांग होते हैं.
हम्म,
इतना सही है. बाइसेप्स ट्राइसेप्स फॉर्म होते हैं.
ऑलमोस्ट अ
मैं
फुल बॉडी
करवाता हूँ मेरे
वर्कआउट
बच्चे से. हाँ, मैं करवाता हूँ मेरे बच्चे से उठक बैठक. मैं भी साथ में करता हूँ अगर मैंने गलती की है तो.
है।
उसको बुरा लगा है, वो बोलता है कि बाबा ये तुमने गलत किया है, मैं भी करूंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Parents also need to take accountability of our actions. थोड़ा pivot लेके यहाँ पे, because our one of the core philosophies is bringing a neutral stance. What can be the side effects if things go wrong when using the strict discipline?
They will be, they might not feel comfortable talking about their feelings. They might start bottling up their emotions. And it's not that I have not considered it, because I know the responsibilities, what comes with being disciplined, being strict. You think that your parent figure is somebody whom you have to be afraid of. Yes, you have to be afraid of.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Yes, I am not their bloody friend. As a father, I am preparing them to be gentlemen out there after 18 years. So I am not becoming their friend. As and when they will grow up, they will have a lot of people around them to open up about their feelings, how they feel towards their father. They can talk about me to them. Their feelings will come. And that's why, see, I'm not telling that they do not have the space to talk about all of this with my wife and I. We do hold these spaces. For example, there is this activity which I do with my children, which is, share about your day, wherein they talk about their entire day to my wife, the mother, and me. And during this day, when it is the chance of my wife to share, she talks about how she felt throughout the day also. I talk about how frustrating my day was or how angry I got with certain people outside in the world. And I feel a little bit sad. I felt like almost crying. When I say these things, what am I modeling?
Vulnerability, authenticity.
So yeah, I am raising them in a strict environment, in a disciplined environment, but at the same time, I'm also putting activities, I would say activities, very organic, wherein we share about our day, in which we also talk about how we felt. And it's very organic. It's not like, I'm conducting a psychological experiment. I want to share about my day with my wife. So I made them a part of the circle. That's it. I'm talking to my wife. They are listening in.
क्योंकि तूने ये वाला एस्पेक्ट लाया है कि हाउ सो मेनी पेरेंट्स वांट टू बी और ट्राई टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद देयर किड्स, एक आखिरी सवाल आ रहा है दिमाग में, दैट इज कि nowadays people are in the name of giving agency and choice to kids who do not even have the cerebral capacity of making choices. इसके ऊपर तेरा क्या कहना है?
दो चॉइस दो और वो अपनी ट्राईसाइकिल मेन रोड पे लेके जाएंगे। एजेंसी दो, एजेंसी दो कि घर पे सब कुछ तुम्हारा है, तुम्हारी फुल फ्रीडम है। वो उंगली जाके इलेक्ट्रिक सॉकेट में डालेंगे। क्यों? तब तुम्हारा नो निकलता है ना। सो व्हाई कांट यू बी preemptively ready for their stupid mistakes beforehand itself and curate a safe environment for them? बट नहीं, तब मुझे फ्रेंड बनना है। जब जरूरत नहीं है टू बी डिसिप्लिनेरियन, तब मैं फ्रेंड बन के रहूंगा। नहीं, इफ यू आर डिसिप्लिनेरियन, यू आर डिसिप्लिनेरियन 24/7।
गार्जियन बनना होता है, इसलिए तो वी आर कॉल्ड
गार्डियन
गार्जियंस।
बनना होता, या गार्डियन बनना होता है। अगर मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरे बच्चे एक्सरसाइज करें, मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ेगा। अगर मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरे बच्चे का फिजिकल हेल्थ अच्छा है, मुझे सुबह शाम एक जॉब पे जाना पड़ेगा। वो शुरुआत में माई किड माइट नॉट लाइक इट, बट ही नोज दैट देर आर पीपल इन दिस हाउस हु डू दिस रेगुलरली। इफ आई वॉन्ट टू बी ए पार्ट ऑफ दिस कम्युनिटी, दिस सोशल स्ट्रक्चर, आई गॉट गो फॉर रन। वो करना पड़ेगा ही, मॉडल करना पड़ेगा। इट्स लाइक मैं लेजी रहता हूं, मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे देता हूं, वो कर लेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा।
जैसे वो कहावत है ना कि किड्स डोंट लिसन टू योर वर्ड्स, दे मॉडल योर एक्शंस।
यस, guess what, my mother-in-law and my mother both, my father and father-in-law also, they are shocked about my children having their own personal space. मेरा बच्चा अपने ही रूम में जाके अकेले बैठ के जिक्सॉ करता है, जिक्सॉ पजल। My mother-in-law is shocked. She asked my wife, how are you giving them the agency? जहां पे एजेंसी दे सकते हो दो, वो देना भी जरूरी है। हैविंग देयर ओन मी टाइम, तब बच्चा कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है। उन्हें शेम नहीं है फेलियर का। वो गलती करते होंगे पर्सनली, बट इट इज देयर टाइम टू फ्लरिश without a parent constantly on their head looking over how they are behaving, how they are doing, what they are doing, constantly saying no, yes. Disciplinarian environment का ये मतलब नहीं है कि they don't have freedom,
वेरी
बट
इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट।
फ्रीडम को बरकरार करने के लिए तुम्हें डिसिप्लिन चाहिए। डिसिप्लिन, जैसे तू कहता है, इज द हाईएस्ट
फॉर्म ऑफ सेल्फ
फॉर्म
लव।
सेल्फ लव। And if you want to sustain self-love and have a free life, you got to be disciplined throughout. There is no choice. Even when you are feeling like you do not want to show up, you got to show up.
सत्य वचन।
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है। अरे सर क्या बात है।
पेरेंटिंग में छुट्टी नहीं होती कि संडे। उल्टा पेरेंट्स लोगों का संडे सैटरडे सबसे ज्यादा बिजी रहता है। तो अगर छुट्टी वाले माइंडसेट में हो तो नो, यू गॉट टू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड।
चल, इस बात पे, इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को रैप करते on the video section, लेकिन I am very sure the conversation will continue in a comment section. Looking forward
Yes.
to the interactions.
Oh, yes.
And
Those who, just a second, those who got triggered, please do your intellectual vomit in the comment section. Those who are curious, ask questions then. And those who align with this mindset, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah,
absolutely.
go to you.
यहाँ पे I would also say कि जैसे previous video में कहा था कि if you are getting triggered, it is a warning that there is something that needs to be worked up on the internet.
Okay.
You're not angry at us. You're angry at something which you have not dealt with.
Yeah,
But if you want to show that anger onto us,
absolutely, absolutely. We are open
welcome.
to all the criticisms.
Yes. Yes.
Then, on that note, like Harish said, if this is something you align with, do subscribe for future videos and subscribe कर रहे हो तो साथ में bell icon भी दबा देना so that you are notified of future videos, not miss out on any content. And on that note, we'll see you in our next video. Take care, everyone. Cheers.
See you in the next one. Bye.